First, check engine light on my 99 Econoline. Let's find out what's going on here. Last year I bought this fixed module because my Abarth got a check engine light. The gas cap wasn't tightened, that's all it was, and then the check engine light went away. So I got to see what it could do a little bit on my friend's car. We tried this out on my friend's car, but it wanted a premium subscription so it could tell us exactly what's going on. Will it tell us exactly what's going on? Let's find out right now. I will buy the premium subscription today. So here's my Centec scanner. Here's the code I'm getting. P0401, exhaust gas recirculation flow insufficient detected. So let's go ahead and see what this does. So this is just pulling the code for me, but will this tell me exactly what I need to do to fix my car? That's what they advertise. Okay, here's the FIXD app right here. So it's also reading a P0401, and then it says minor driving impact. The issues present are not likely to cause major damage to you or your vehicle with continued driving, but should still be addressed promptly. Confirm fix and cost. See, now they want you to subscribe the premium to get more info. So that was the catch with FIXD. That's what I found out last year when we were checking my friend's car. But now this is my own car, so yeah, I need to get this fixed. So I'll go ahead and order the premium subscription, and let's see what it does when I go premium. I think it's only like $8 a month. So I went ahead and got the premium membership just so that you guys can know what to expect if you get the premium membership. So it's a P0401 code right there. And here's the thing, you could just Google that. If you have a standard scanner, or even if you got this scanner and you get the code, just Google it and it'll suggest what you can do. So let's just read this real quick. Minor driving impact. The issues present are not likely to cause major damage to you or your vehicle with continued driving, but should still be addressed promptly. So that's minor. That's nice to know. So confirmed fixed and cost $213 to $293. And if you Google search P0401, it'll tell you it's most likely the EGR valve, and that's what it's telling you right here. The cool thing, it's telling you what the price should be, and if you click on it, it says find a repair shop, and if you show them your FIXD app, they're supposed to honor the price. So I think that's pretty cool that they'll honor the price, so they can't tell you, oh, that's going to cost $1,000. So I'm pretty sure FIXD has a partnership with all these repair shops. So, you know, they're working together. You know, it's a business, but at the same time, it helps you out, because if you have no knowledge of vehicles, of cars, then you know what to expect to pay. So that's what to expect out of the premium membership. So without the premium membership, it's not telling you it's the EGR valve. It's not telling you how much it costs. With just a scanner, just the module and the app, it's just going to give you the standard code, which you could get with a off-the-shelf code reader. So that's what the FIXD app is offering you guys. It's telling you what it is, which you can Google search when you Google search the code, but you know, that's the cool thing. It's telling you how much it costs, what to expect, and since they do appear to be partnered up with these repair shops, they won't go over this price, and they're guaranteeing they're not going to go over these prices right here.